more than a week after the start of the Colorado wildfires, people are moving to the recovery phase. And the Red Cross has joined together with all the other social services in the area under one roof to provide a one-stop shop for the evacuees for anything they might need. One of the things the Red Cross does is we offer these cleanup kits. Now you can imagine after a wildfire, your house is pretty dirty. So we have mops, bleach, we have brooms, gloves, anything you might need to get your house back up and running after a very dirty wildfire, which is one of the many ways that Red Cross helps the victims and the evacuees.